y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion, and today I will be showing you guys my new all-purpose white wine glasses that I purchased from Tiffany and Co. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys so you can see me take them out of the box as soon as they arrived. I was dying of anticipation because I really wanted to open them, but I wanted to do it on camera so that I can show you guys and talk to you guys about them. So they come in a set of 2, and you get 2 of them for $60. With tax and everything, they ended up being $64.20. So they're quite pricey, you know, for wine glasses, at least in my opinion. I think they're pricey. So they came with this gift card and envelope if I wanted to give them as a gift, but I'm not. I'm going to be keeping these for myself. They came with this packing slip and a return label and the infamous Tiffany blue box with the ribbon. You guys, this box is so beautiful. After I unboxed them and everything, I tried to tie the ribbon back on the box and it looks okay. You'll see it in the end. It's not Tiffany and Co level, but I think I did okay. So each wine glass came wrapped up in this bubble wrap, and you know, they were very much so protected in the box, and they came in perfect condition. They weren't broken or anything. They have these Tiffany and Co stickers on the bubble wrap, and I kept the second layer of bubble wrap because I cut the first layer, as you can see me doing right now with my X-Acto knife. So I kept the second layer because I wanted to keep my Tiffany and Co stickers. I paid $64 for these stickers. So I definitely kept them. I didn't want them to get ruined. So here are the wine glasses, you guys. They are absolutely beautiful. I thought that these wine glasses just looked so luxurious and so sleek and so elegant. They look really, really good. They are made out of crystal glass, and they are 13 ounces. So they are taller than my wine glasses that I currently have from Home Goods. I got them 4 in a box for $10. But you guys, I love these glasses. They just look so elegant and so luxurious. So if you are interested in luxury glassware, you guys, I would highly recommend getting these glasses. They are great quality. The crystal glass is thick. It's not thin like a lot of the new wine glasses that you can pick up from like Home Goods or something like that. You know, the glass is usually really thin, but y'all, these glasses are not thin at all. They are great quality, and if you are one that likes to host and you like friends coming over and you like to drink wine, then I think, you know, these would be a really cute addition to have in your wine glass collection. I am going to be using these in my Wine Taste With Me series that I have here on my channel, so I will link that video if you guys are interested in seeing that as well. I also really love how it has Tiffany and Co engraved on the bottom of the wine glass. It's so cute. Alright y'all, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these wine glasses. Would you pay $64.20 for these? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!